I wanted to share a little about the program, and I come at it as a different perspective because I'm a business owner and I sit on quite a few different boards. So I never would have gotten this far without the relationships I had through these cohorts and these intermediaries. And I really wanted to create a program that wasn't just individually shop focused, but how could we actually share it across the industry and fix an industry as a whole? I got introduced to the VMA, and just to get that initial step in there was just we couldn't have done it without them. And having these relationships is so helpful. So if you don't have the bandwidth or the budget to hire new people, and you have some newer individuals or people you want to retrain or in that area, they want to go from a different job, this program is great for them. And it also helps your culture. And that's been a game changer. I appreciate everyone on here, but also the VMA for being creative with us and helping us get through this. These programs are so worth it. We need it. And I just appreciate you guys doing something creative. We need it.